everyone, Jelly here with another nail polish video. Today I'm going over all the polishes that I bought in March of this year, March 2023. I do want to specify that if I bought a polish in a previous month and I did not receive it till the current month, then I'm counting it in this video as well, and will do so for any of these videos moving forward. So let's go ahead and get started. The first collection I got was Pampered Polishes St. Patrick's Day collection. Each polish is unique in its own way, which I really do love. I do want to specify that this is the only polish that I had bought in February that did not arrive till March, which is why it's in this video. You can see as I'm going through all these polishes that they are unique in their own way. I personally thought all of them were really nice. Some of these polishes were a little bit on the thicker side, but that's not a problem for me. I do think out of all these polishes from her collection, I do think the last two I'm going to show are the ones I like best. The first one is Here to Patty, which is that neon one. Like, I think my phone's picking it up color accurately, but I can't tell from here. And then Zero Lux Given. If she only brings back one of these polishes for re-release, please let it be this one. Like, just look how shiny that is with the little bit of holographic shimmer in it. I hope it's coming up on camera. I think it kind of is. I don't know. I'll find out in editing. Up next, we have by Danny Vienna's Speckled Me collection. This I bought in full for me to review. I saw it first being reviewed on Timberland's YouTube page, Pampered Polishes, and I just really loved how all of them look, and I wanted to have it for myself. Even though on the bottle, you can definitely see that there is a bit of white going on, and when I shake up the bottle, that white doesn't really go away. But when you apply the colors to the nails, it doesn't really have any of that whiteness. Everything looks properly blended. Like, I have it on my hand right now, so you can see everything's perfectly blended. I'm not sure why it has that whiteness to it, but I promise it doesn't do that on your nails at all. It mixes up really well. These polishes were also really nice as well. Most of them were 2 coaters, even the yellow. The only one that was really what I felt was a 3/4 for me was the green one, just because it did seem like it was a little bit more sheer than other polishes, but that's not a deal breaker for me because you are able to get full opacity in thin coats as well. Next up, I have 3 polishes I bought from What's Up Nails. I had the opportunity to go up to Phoenix to visit the store, which I was really excited about. And the first one I got was Cadillac Curves Realm of Power. This is one I've had my eye on since Kelly Marissa first showed it on her review video for a small brand Sunday. I did also swatch it on a swatch wheel, and you can see that on the bottle it's this nice beautiful dark color, but when it's on the swatch wheel right there, it is a little bit lighter of a blue, and that is in 3 coats, I believe. So it's still a really gorgeous color as it is, but it's definitely not going to be as dark. I think maybe if you add a similar base color or black, it might add a dark, but don't quote me on that because I haven't tried it yet. The second polish I got was this A. England polish. This one was called Clyde or Clidy. I'm not sure how you would say that. I'm going to assume Clyde. I was really having a hard time deciding, and I decided to run this one. I was trying to choose colors that were outside of what I normally go for. If I did not do that, I would have walked out with more greens. But this one is a really beautiful brown. You can see that it has a little bit of that golden shimmer in it, and then just a gentle hollow bit on top of it as well. I haven't worn this one on the nails yet, but I'm really looking forward to. This one's just really beautiful. And then the last one I got from What's Up Nails was this Emily DeMali polish called A Boring Event. I saw this one and it like made me gasp when I first saw it. Because you probably see in the video it's mostly silver, but if you look at the extreme angles, you can see that it's actually a duochrome at those extreme angles. On the left, you can see a dark blue, and then on the right, you can see a violet, but you can't see it when you're looking head on. And I'm not sure what kind of sorcery is it, but it is just really pretty, and it is very metallic-y as well. But on my swatch stick, I felt like if it had any brush strokes, they dried up pretty well, as you can see right here. Editing jelly here with a polish I missed. I can't believe I missed this. I also got Colores de Carol's polish Keep Rolling, which was from their 10th anniversary collection. This one is a gorgeous magnetic. I will talk more about it in my March manicure video. Sorry. Then I did get quite a few Orleys as well at a later date. This first one I've been having my eye on for a while. It's Metamorphosis. I have not tried it on my nails yet, but it is on my swatch stick, and it is just as gorgeous on the swatch stick as it is in the bottle. I am hoping to get this one on my nails later this month. The other one I got was Elysian Fields, which is definitely a color choice. I got this because Mediocre Manny's really talked it up. In the bottle, I don't like it as much, but when I wore it on my nails, I actually enjoyed it a lot more. So this one is one of those polishes that like you just have to put it on in order to like really appreciate the beauty it can create. Next up, I got this yellow from KB Shimmer's Plant on Me collection. This one is called Daffodil With It. I have been looking for a yellow that would be a similar tone of yellow to Enchanted Polish's Electric Mouse. I had that one, and I'm not sure what happened, but it completely dried up, turned into sludge. I filled the entire bottle with thinner, gave it really good shakes for like a good 5 minutes, had a nice consistency, and then when I came back to it the next day, it was sludge again, and I repeated that process for about 2-3 more days after that, and it just would not recover, so unfortunately I had to throw it out, and I was really upset about it. But this is definitely the closest hollow yellow that I've been able to find so far to it. I wish I saw that polish to do a swatch comparison on it, but it is just a gorgeous yellow, and I can't wait to use this one in some nail art. After that, I did have my polish pickup order from last month come in, and I got 2 polishes. The first polish I got was Zombie Claw's Don't Save It for a Rainy Day. I really loved that this one had such a unique base in it. I don't know what it is, but that grayish base with those beautiful fuchsia to orange shifting flakes and those black flakes. It's just really gorgeous. Even though it does have that colored base, it is very, very sheer. On 3 coats, the colored base was barely full coverage for my nail length, but it was still super gorgeous to wear for the short time I had it on. The red glow-in-the-dark pigment it has in it is very faint. It doesn't stay charged very long, but I've heard from other people's reviewings that the red glow-in-the-dark pigment generally does not stay very long and takes a long time to charge up, so I'm not upset about that. The other one I got was from Graceful Nails, which is called Rainforest Raindrops. When I first saw this one on the website, I literally gasped out loud because of that gorgeous green jelly base with all those green flakies in it. A couple of them look like that they are duochromy, where they shift from the green to the blue, which I really, really loved. This one did have a little bit of a skinnier brush, which I'm not the biggest fan of a skinnier brush, but I just loved this color as well. So I can forgive it at that. It was still very easy to use. The next polishes I got were birthday polishes that I either got for myself or were given to me. I will show these first three together. These were from the Ordi midi sale that they had a while back. I wanted specifically these three colors, and I knew one of my coworkers' birthdays were coming up, so she got three colors of her choice as well. This first color is called Kitsch Ya Later. The middle one is called Artist's Garden, and the one that I really wanted is Infinite Allure. This one is very gorgeous. I currently have that as my pedicure color, and even in low lighting, that silver shimmer it has to it really comes through. I also wanted these because I figured that they would make really beautiful polish colors for when the weather starts cooling down and we have more of those autumny colors, because I do like a little bit more muted tone colors for autumn. The next two polishes are from Morgan Taylor that I got courtesy of my mother-in-law for my birthday. This red one is called Rare as Rubies. This one is really fun. It's definitely going to be a little bit of a messy. It's a jelly base that has those red metallic flakes in it. I don't think it gives perfect coverage. I only did 2 coats on my swatch wheel for this, but it's still so pretty, so shiny. Without that, I cannot wait to try to wear that one. And then the second color I had was It's My Party. And I'm not the biggest fan of glitters, but I really love this one. I think it has a little bit of reflective glitter in it just because of how shiny some of those glitter spots are. And it does seem to have pretty decent glitter coverage. This was what it looked like in 2 coats, but I do think I would try doing the sponge method that I hear other people doing as well. And then finally, the last polishes I got, I'm going to show them 2 at a time, I think. I got these from my grandmother-in-law. They are Smoke and Mirrors nail polish, and they're argan oil infused. I have never heard of this brand before, and when I did research on it, it looks like they are a brand from the store Five Below. I literally could not find any other information about that other than they are a Five Below brand. The colors are really pretty. They're very bright, very neon. On my swatch stick, they all gave me that full coverage within 2 coats, though I wouldn't say that they were necessarily full coverage each time. But these were the colors that they had in it. They don't even have names on them, so if I use them, I'm just going to refer to them as like the pink one or the orange one or the yellow-green one, the green one, the blue one, the violet one, just like because I don't really have any other names to call them. And that is all my polishes for March together. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. I definitely think that Metamorphosis, the Cadillac one, Realm of Power, and I do think Daffodil with it are definitely my top 3 picks that I'm really happy I got. But I want to hear what you like as well. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like that. Giving me a thumbs up lets me know that, hey, you did actually enjoy watching this video and you want to see more like that. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!